What is a data packet? I can't connect to my data packets. Where do I put my data packet?
Packet error detected. Data packet error detected.
Hey guys, this is John Olshan, Tech Integration Coach at Warwick Middle School. We know that since you're doing an in-service today on data, we thought it would be appropriate to discuss data packet management. Catch the data packet wave!
Hey, Lee Walter here, Tech Resource at the middle school. I'm just going to go over data packets real quick. It's just essentially a packet of data that goes through the network from IP to IP. If they're going productively, they're helping with the connectivity of the network and the wireless routers will pick them up well. However, some places in school there's some dead zones and stuff like that, so you might have already had an amplifier set up. If you haven't, and if it's still not working, you could get one of these devices that'll help with the data packet transmission. You'll notice it just has this symbol on here for the maker of it, which is Yen-Gen. Blue light's on, you're good to go. If the green light's on, you're good to go. If this turns red for any reason, just put it in tech requests and somebody from tech will help you out with it. But some teachers will potentially need this installed over the next week or two. And the only thing you want to make sure is that it's plugged in. You'll hear a little noise of it running, and then that's pretty much it. And make sure the top's up so that the air can come out and the device doesn't overheat.
Is your data packet causing a ladder racket? If it is, you might have it upside down.
All right, sounds good. Thanks.
Man, these data packets are actually pretty exciting.
Hey guys, I'm Jess Gaiman and I am a middle school science teacher and tech resource person. And I'm just here to remind you that if you are having trouble and you just had your data packet amplifier installed and it's new and you're still having trouble finding that your connection is slow, that you can put in a tech request and we can come out and take a look at it. But then also you are welcome to use the data packet tracer and you can just kind of like move it around in your room. And then when you find a spot that has a good signal, then you know that you'll be good to go, and you might want to just move your data packet amplifier to that area. And when you find a spot where it'll get louder and louder until you find the spot that's the perfect location for it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to put in a tech request.
Data packets, helping us be better together, connected together.